Okay, this is going into what used to be the boiler room. Mold growth on the door. You'll see a lot of mold growth in here. And just right there. A lot of wood in here that doesn't need to be here. There's mold growth on these crates. Mold growth there. The old toolbox. Mold growth along the bottom. Down in there. All the yellow. So a lot of this wood is going to be thrown out. I just told Jim that this we're going to need an electrician, because this whole where the panel is mounted to, all that wood, it's so bad over here. You can see the growth there, that it just needs thrown away and a new piece of wood put in there or mounted somehow differently. This is probably drywall, but I'm not sure. He thought maybe it might be old enough that it, well, this is drywall here, but that there might be asbestos, so that's going to add more to it. So probably need to get somebody in here to test that. Mold growth on the ceiling, the drywall, water remediation coming through the block. And this is the furnace room. You go in, there's no lights in here, they're broke, but look at the drywall on the ceiling. It was that cream color, normal drywall color, but now there's purple, there's all kinds of colors, green, blues, of course blacks, browns. This is underneath the sidewalk. There's water coming in right now. Walk a little bit further. That's sidewalk. And that's a manhole up on the sidewalk. Water just dripping. Rolling all over the place, look at that. Some sawhorses covered in mold. Some staining there, it could be mold growth. Again, the drywall's falling down from water. Talking about possibly putting a whole house dehumidifier connected to this to try to pull the dehumidifier, or pull the humidity out.